Alright, today's product, got some new crimpers in and came with 3 little packs of crimpers. These are very small crimps, not really going to be for what I need, might be for what you need though. But here's the item, set of crimpers. Hey, that feels pretty good, looks pretty heavy duty, got a little release there, lets them open up, and you got different size crimpers here, 2.2 millimeter, 1.0 to 2, and smaller continuously. So what I got over here is a pair of cable cutters, just got the other day as well. Got me some good size cable, got me some good size crimps, and I want to see if this is going to crimp. This new crimper is going to crimp this or not. That'll be the deal breaker or deal maker for me. I'll take that little crimp, slip her on there, give me a loop. Bring everybody else up nice and tight. I could put one of these in. I really have felt that I needed those things, not for my application. So we're going to hold that right there, and we're going to find out if this thing will crimp this size or if I bought the wrong size. Not in there very well, am I? Well, I failed again. That's not big enough to crimp what I've got. And these crimpers that it came with are too small for my cable. So this isn't going to work for me. Nonetheless, we'll see how well it crimps. Hide that crimper in there like that. Give her a little squeeze. Crimps right down. Seems like it does a pretty good job. It's too small for my application. A lot of times the tendency is to put these crimpers in this way. That was the way I always did it, but that's the wrong way. Do it like that, all that does is smash the middle in. Not really going to help you. Those are my crimpers. Look, they come with cable cutter right here on the side, 2 different sizes. I don't know if that'll cut my cable or not. We'll give it a shot and see. Yeah, but it crimped it pretty good. I just cut it too short a piece, let it come all apart, but it did crimp well. I think these are better for my application though. Alright, so there you have them. Set of small cable crimps. That's what you're looking for. There they are. Hey, y'all have a blessed day.